Want to quickly check if your PS5 controller buttons are working without any guesswork? Here's the fastest way to test every button in under a minute. First, turn on your PS5 and make sure your controller is connected with a USB cable or Bluetooth and responding on the home screen. From the home screen, press the PlayStation button, scroll to Settings in the top right, and select it with the X button. In Settings, go down to Accessories, then choose Controllers to access your controller options. Some PS5 games and apps offer built-in input testers. If you have one installed, open it now to see live button presses on screen. If you don't have a tester app, don't worry. You can still test every button directly inside your games and menus. Start by pressing the D-pad and analog sticks in every direction. Watch the cursor or character to confirm each movement responds smoothly. Next, tap the X, circle, square, and triangle buttons one by one, checking that every press registers instantly in the menu or tester screen. Now test the L1, L2, R1, and R2 triggers. Slowly squeeze them and make sure the on-screen bar or action responds across the full range. Press the Options, Create, and PlayStation buttons, confirming that menus open, overlays appear, or prompts react exactly as expected. If any button feels sticky, double presses, or doesn't register, gently clean around it with a soft cloth and compressed air, then test again. If the problem stays, try another USB cable or a different PS5, then contact PlayStation support or your retailer for repair or replacement.